Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Solution channel. In this lecture or in this video, we are going to derive the Taylor series expansion. And before that, we'll take the statement of the Taylor series, right? Taylor series. A function f of x, let f of x be any function at a point A, at a point A are the powers of x minus a, then the Taylor series expansion can be written as, that is, f of x is equal to f of a plus x minus a by 1 factorial into f dash of a plus x minus a, so here is a, whole square divided by 2 factorial into f double dash of a. Similarly, we can write plus x minus a power 3 divided by 3 factorial into f triple dash of a. Yeah, it's going on, right? So this is the expansion of a Taylor series. Now we want to prove this. So for that I am going to consider some polynomial here, that is f of x is equal to, right, f of x is equal to, let us take sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity cn into x minus a whole power n. If we expand it, what will happen? So this will give c naught, right, c naught x minus a whole power 0, then c1 x minus a whole power 1, c2 x minus a whole power 2, then c3 x minus a whole power 3, then up to it's going on. Now what they said, at a point A are the powers of x minus a. So we want to convert that the point x is equal to a. Now I want to find what is the c0, c1, c2, c3 value. For that I want to do the differentiation for the given function, I mean for this polynomial, so that the first derivative f dash of x will become, this is c0 x minus a power 1, so that will give 1. So you have here is only c0. So the remaining values, the constant will become 0 here, plus x minus a power 1, so c1 constant, x will become 1, and then plus c2 again constant, this x power n formula, so that will become 2 times of x power n minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, here will give 1. So here is, that is 2 times of x minus a, then plus 3 times of c3 x minus a whole square, then 4 times of c4 x minus a whole power 3. Yeah, it's going on. Now again what we want to substitute, the point x is a. So substitute x is equal to a, or put x is equal to a, then what will happen, f dash of a is equal to, so here you will get, so a minus a, this term will become 0, a minus a, here is 0, a minus a, so the rest of the all the terms will become 0, so f dash of a will become only c1, that is c1. So here we got the first one, and f double dash of x will become, yes, this is already 0, and here we have only constant term, that will become 0, and 2 c2 are common, and then x minus a, that is x will become 1, then plus 3, that is 2 into 3, then this will become x minus a power 1. Similarly 4 into 3 c4, and here I forgot to write c3, then x minus a whole square, then the next term obviously this will become, so 5 4 c5 into x minus a whole power 3. So this is the next term. Now again substitute x is equal to a. So f double dash of a will become, so this term will become 0 and here is 0. The rest of all the terms will become 0. Here you have 2 times of C2. Now we want to find the constant values. So I want to find C2. So C2 is equal to f double dash of a by 2. Similarly, I can find the third one. So third one, that is f triple dash of x will become, f triple dash of x will become, what is the f triple dash of x? From here if you differentiate, that will give the f triple dash of x. So here 2 into 3, so you will get only C3 plus 4, 3, 2 times of C4 into x minus a, and here this value 5, 4, 3, C5 into x minus a whole square. Yeah, it will go like that. And similarly, now we got what is the value? If you substitute a, so f of a is equal to, that is C naught, right, and f dash of a is equal to, so this value C1, f double dash of a by 2 is equal to C2, f double dash of a divided by 2 is equal to C2, and from, if you substitute, f triple dash of a will become obviously 2 into 3, so that will become 6. So we can write it as a 3 factorial, so into C3. So f triple dash of a divided by 3 factorial will become C3. Now we will find one value and then we will substitute here. So what we will get there? Now find f4 dash of x. If you found that, then we can generalize the next term like that, right? Now differentiate it, so obviously this term will become 0. Now here you will get 4 into 3 into 2, obviously you will get 1. So 4, 3, 2, 1 into C4 plus, so here 5, 4, 3, 2, this value into C5 into x minus a power 1. So it will go like that. Now f4 dash of a will become, so this term and the next all other terms will become 0. So this can be written as 4 factorial into C4. So C4 will become f4 dash of a divided by 4 factorial. So in general we can say Cn is equal to Fn of a divided by n factorial. Now we got all the value, because I don't have space here to write the remaining derivatives, that's what I copied here. Now we have all the values. Now substitute here. So if you substitute in this formula, what you will get? So that is f of x value. So f of x is equal to the C naught value, that is f of a, right, and this value obviously that will become 1, then plus, what is the C1 value? That is f dash of a into x minus a, then f double dash of a into x minus a whole square by 2 factorial, f triple dash of a into x minus a whole power 3 divided by 3 factorial, and so on. Now this will give exactly the Taylor series expansion for the function f of x at a point a. So this is how we can prove the Taylor series for the particular value, that is x is equal to a. And thanks for watching.